Can you hear the sound? I mean the croaking sound. The sound that frogs croak. Okay, I'm approaching to the sound, to the croaking. Okay, but the fantastic thing that I want to show you is that the creature that's making the sound is not that much big as the sound it creates. You hear the croaks? Okay, let's see how a small frog make this much big sound. Let's see. Yes, this is the frog. Could you see how small this frog is? Yes, very small, right? But it can amplify a very big sound. Yeah, could you see? Very small creature, but it creates a loud sound. It croaks very loud. My God, it has a loud speaker. All the night it croaks to mate, to find a perfect mate. A small creature, but it amplifies the loudest sound. It croaks louder. There I have a lot around me, but I can go closer to them